So we're going to start talking about simplifying radical expressions. We talked about this in class, and I promised to give you a couple of examples as to how I wanted to start. On the quiz, you saw this problem. It was 81 x to the fourth to the, it was the square root of that, or the second root, depending on how you want to say it. Remember, by agreement, we just say the square root. So there's a couple of ways to do this, and I'm going to teach you which they are. Remember that we could potentially rewrite, and the question to ask yourselves here is, how can I rewrite this 81 so that it has a power of 2? And the answer is going to be using 9, because 9 squared is in fact 81. You next want to use the x to the fourth and rewrite it using a power of 2, because we want to cancel out the index, which is 2. And in class we used this little trick using the properties of exponents. And we agreed that that was the case. So there's an extra step that we need to take here, just so that you guys don't get confused, because I saw some of you getting confused at this step. What we're going to do is kind of break this product into two square roots. And this is not necessary, but I'm going to require it for now. Why is this helpful? Because at this point I'm able to see that this index cancels out with this index, leaving the 9 by itself. Sorry, I made a mistake. This exponent cancels out with this index, which is a 2. Remember, it's imaginary, right? Similarly, this exponent cancels out with this index, leaving me with an x squared, making my answer 9x squared.